best custom fence installation and gate repair solution in Dallas, Texas. If you are considering adding a fence or automatic gate to your property, the team at Ambassador Fence Company have the solution for you. Ambassador Fence Company provides a wide range of custom wood fence installation services for local clients. The company also provides electric gate installation and repair solutions for homes and businesses. Ambassador Fence Company offers an expansive selection of high-quality fences in a variety of designs. With proper treatment, fences can withstand the wind, rain, and other elements for many years. Ambassador Fence Company's custom fences and electric gate installation services help you protect your assets and add value to your property. Go to ambassadorfenceaco.com for more info.